Hello. So now we are at the Papa Pagli Chowk, and from Papa Pagli Chowk we will be going to King Circle. So let's begin. On this street you will see the largest concentration of South Indian eating joints. The first one comes is Sharda Bhavan out here. So this is the Sharda Bhavan, which started off in the 1950s, and you will get some real authentic South Indian food out here. Just close to Sharda Bhavan is a famous Chheda stores and Arya Bhavan, another South Indian eating joint. So now we'll go to Matunga Central Station. This is the Matunga Central Station. This is completely managed by women, and that was one of the features of Matunga Central. And Matunga Central is different from the Matunga Road Station, which is on the Western Railway. And here is the very famous Udupi Sri Krishna boarding, also known as Ramanayaks. And down you have, I'll just show it 1 minute. You have the famous Gupta Chaat Center. Now we have the Arya Bhavan, which I mentioned earlier, is another famous South Indian eating joint. I think so, it's the only AC restaurant out here, AC South Indian restaurant out here. These are the banana trucks which come every morning. 80 to 90 tons every day in the morning, just here in Matunga. Then we come here. This is the Ramashray. Ramashray is probably 80 years old. Started somewhere in 1941-42. This is another South Indian eating joint. This is called as the Shri Sundars. It is on the Lakshmi Narayan Lane. This is the Kabutar Khana out here on, and there are other Kabutar Khanas which I will cover later. So we are now in front of the Giri bookstore, and opposite Giri bookstore is the Fulwali Gali. very popular in Matunga. And next to the Fulwali Galli is the Matunga post office. Bhajan Samaj. A little in front from the Bhajan Samaj is the Shankara Matam, but it is totally covered for some renovation. This is the entrance of Shankara Matam. It's all closed because religious places are not opening. This is another temple called as the Kanak Parameshwari out here in Matunga. And just opposite the Kanak Parameshwari is the Matunga Masjid. And in the very compound there is the Bairamji Jijiboy orphanage. Come. So we are now approaching the Astik Samaj. So we are now in front of Astik Samaj, or sometimes it's called as the Kochuk Guruvayur. This came up in 1923. And it just served as a temple, a wedding hall, place where the community could interact. This is the Kochu Guruvayur. They have opened up. So if you can hear the drums. After the Astik Samaj out here, we have another famous South Indian eating joint called as the Amba Bhavan Coffee Club. And there is the King Circle. So here we are at the King Circle. The very famous Cafe Madras. On weekends, people wait outside. This is Cafe Mysore and that is Cafe Udupi. And here we are at the Anand Bhavan, which is, I think so, the second last eating joint which we will cover today. On the King Circle, there is another South Indian eating joint which is very famous, is the Idli House. And we also have the Ahar out here. One of the owners of Ahar is a cycling enthusiast like us. In future, if I could introduce you to him. This is the King Circle. Like Dadar was the main tram terminus, even King Circle and Science Circle were built in quick succession, and they were in a circle because trams used to come one way and go the other way.
Hi, hope all of you have liked our second part as well. Thank you for supporting us, and please like, share and subscribe. There's a bell icon on the right side of the subscribe button. Please click on that for notification. Thank you. Till the next video.